Namaste. Today we are going to perform Bharadvajasana. It is also known as seated spinal twist. The name is derived from the sage Bharadvaja, and the asana means posture.
Are some contraindications to keep in mind while practicing Bharadvajasana. Avoid during injury at the hips. Avoid in case of diarrhea and cardiac condition. Avoid if suffering from a hamstring injury, slip disc, sciatica pain and backache.
We are going to use Halasana box and pranayam pillow for the feet to go into the asana. So sit on the Halasana box with the legs bent, legs on the pranayam pillow, sit tall, inhale, lift your left arm up and exhale, hook it, take it under the grill and right hand on the grill, inhale, lift your spine up, exhale, twist, inhale, lift, exhale, twist, stay, release your arms and come back to the center, change the side. Again, sit on the Halasana box with the legs on the pranayam pillow. Now, lift your right arm up, inhale, exhale, take it under the grill and left hand on the grill, inhale, lift up, exhale, twist, inhale, lift, exhale, twist. Release, come back to the center.
Balances hormones, reduces sciatica pain, boosts the joints and cures arthritis, treats disorders related to kidneys and liver.